Choosing an early childhood education program is one of the most important decisions you'll make for your child. Give them the best start at a bright future by letting them explore a world of opportunities here at AISK. During the Early Years program, we set a foundation for your child to become an active problem solver, a creative thinker, and a world leader. This 2-year program is hands-on learning focusing on 4 areas of your child's development: personal, cognitive, language and literacy, and creative thinking. Whether it be playing with Legos, or investigating if scallions can germinate in any type of water, or playing Anansi on Jamaica Day, we make sure your child grows emotionally, socially, and academically. At AISK, we make the most of your child's first wondrous years of exploration, where the foundation of inquisitiveness and motivation to learn are created.